Love this one chick that I couldn't get my head off of it. Seems like it took me about 4 fucking years just to get my dick off her. Because I moved on to a new bitch, a new thickness. I call her my super thumb because I knew where she would get her dick at, where she would keep on coming to me, because I already knew where she would come to. Seems like every single day when I ain't got nothing good to say about her, a good thing pops up when I ain't been played, but I already played her once too many, and I don't wanna trend on this shit. You know what I mean? Because I saw some bad bitches, some good bitches, and the good bitches always turn to bad bitches. Bad bitches always turn into good hoes. Good dick sucking bitches always trying to tell me whether or not they wanna hook up or something, and I'm like, bitch, you ain't got even a college degree, nothing on me, because I last saw you, you were just wearing my clothes, and I'm kinda like, hey bitch, that's too much. Always trying to tell her that I'm trying to do me. She doesn't know me like this. I was trying to tell him that she's trying to suck my dick when she already did. Had that jizz all over her face and shit. She doesn't really know me like this. I was gonna go yummy, and when I'm chilling with him at the spot, at the house, always trying to tell her